Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and today I'm unboxing the Medusa's makeup subscription box for April of 2020. And this is the Get Happy box. There's a bunch of stuff inside. I'm not going to look at it yet. Oh, it comes with a little Get Happy sticker. Okay, there's a cruelty-free and vegan sheet mask, cucumber. That's really nice. Medusa's makeup and everything in this box is vegan and cruelty-free. And the first one is a liquid eyeshadow called Marilyn. There's Marilyn. It's a pretty sparkly black. That's what that looks like. I'll go ahead and tap it in. So it's like a wet gray sparkly eyeshadow there. Then we've got a matte liquid lipstick in Shag. Let's swatch this lipstick. Ooh. So that is a pretty coral. And I don't think you can see. Actually, the camera's turning a little bit brown. But it's a really pretty coral, and it reminds me of 60s colors. I could see this with mint green eyeshadow or baby blue. The very last thing is one of the regular lipsticks, which is one of my favorite things from Medusa's makeup, is their regular lipsticks. Comes in these square boxes here. I will say one thing about Medusa's makeup lipsticks. I love their formula. I like their packaging, but you can't throw these in your purse as is. You can throw it in a makeup bag in your purse, but the cap will come off in the purse. It stays on, you know, typically. If I pick it up and do stuff with it or whatever, use it, whatever, I never have a problem. But if it's in the purse all day jostling around, the cap does sometimes come off. So just a warning. So this is the color Rose. And it is a very pale lavender, gray lavender. Okay, so that is everything in Medusa's makeup this month. It's about $16 for the subscription. It usually says what the value is on here. So the total value is $41.94. Show you there. It shows everything that comes in the subscription box. So it is a really good value. If you're interested in that, I will leave information below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.